Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from DesignSense. Today we are going to learn about another powerful command of the CADPower, which is the unit conversion command. Unit conversion command basically used for the convert the drawing units. For example, if you got a drawing in the inches unit from your clients, then if you want to convert this drawing into the meter, then you can use the unit conversion command for convert the unit of the drawing. So let's start with this command. So we have the various method for apply this command. First method is the CADPower menu bar. From the CADPower menu bar in the conversion, you can see this command is here, unit conversion. We can select it from here. Other method is from the ribbon bar. In the CADPower tab in the ribbon, we need to go to the conversion panel, and here in this drop down you can see we have the unit conversion command here. We can select it from here also. And another method is the shortcut command. For this command we have the shortcut command is the cp_unit con. We can apply this command from the shortcut command. So I am going to press enter. After pressing enter, we got this window conversion setting. In the conversion setting we have only two options, from unit to unit. From unit is the default unit of your drawing, which is already set in your drawing. So we can select the mm, centimeter, inches, feet from here. So I am going to select the inch. And to unit is the your desired unit, in which unit you want to convert the drawing. So here we have the option mm, centimeter, inch, feet, meter, yard. From here we can change the unit from these options. So here we have these units, so I am going to select here m for meter. Then I need to click OK and select the entities. But before selecting the entities, I am going to cancel here and create a copy of this drawing. For copy command we have the shortcut key CO, enter, and then we need to select these entities and then right click. Base point I am giving here, and then I create copy of it here. And then right click. So I am going to apply the unit conversion command on these entities. So again I need to open the unit conversion command. So I am going to use the shortcut command cp_unit con, conv, enter. And here I am going to use the from unit is the inches and to unit is the meter. And then OK. It will ask for the select the entities. So I am going to select these entities and then right click. After the right click, it will ask for the pick base point for the scaling. I am going to click base point here. So now you can see this drawing unit is now converted into the meter. So how we can check this is meter and this is inches? So simply you can measure the distance between the two lines. I am using the distance command di enter. So I am going to click here, and now another point is here, and now you can see we have the distance 12.2 meter. And same as it is, I am going to measure the distance between these two lines through the distance command di enter. And now select the first point and second point is here, and now you can see the distance between these two lines is the 480 inches. Here you can see we have the distance between these two lines is 480 inches, and here we have the same two line distance is the 12 meter. So this is the difference between these two drawing. In this we have the inches unit, and in this we have the meter units. Okay friends, like this we can use the unit conversion command. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our videos and share our videos with your colleagues. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.